From the very beginning, the human was walking and running. These actions are natural in human genetics. Unfortunately, running and walking are replaced by various forms of transportation: cars, public transport, etc. Scientists have proven that running reduces levels of bad cholesterol, fat, triglycerides, and blood sugar. It also reduces the risk of various diseases, such as cardiovascular diseases and type 2 diabetes. Besides the body, running has beneficial effects on the mind as well. Running reduces the risk of depression and alleviates the symptoms of depression. Reduces the level of stress, anxiety, and promotes a good mood. Running and other physical activities stimulate the release of the hormone of happiness. Running is free, accessible, and all you need are good shoes and a strong will. Remember that every beginning is difficult. Your body will take a few weeks to get used to running, especially if you are not in good shape. Each day will be easier. There is a high likelihood of becoming addicted to running. Scientists did research and found that running stimulates so many positive activities in the brain that people eventually become addicted to it. Discover what is happening to your body in just 30 minutes of running. Do your body a favor and start running. The first few seconds, your muscles start to use adenosine triphosphate, which is the main source of energy within the cell. Cells can function normally only when there is a sufficient amount of adenosine triphosphate available. The first 90 seconds. In order to release more adenosine triphosphate, the cells begin the glycogen breakdown, a form of glucose, which builds muscle. The cells will use glucose, which is located in your bloodstream, which is why exercise is good for lowering blood sugar levels. Your body starts to use more glucose, muscles begin to release lactic acid, which sends signals to the brain that you are under physical stress. The next few minutes, your heart begins to pump blood faster and directs it to the muscles. Significantly less blood is directed into some parts of the body which are not needed at the moment, such as organs in the digestive system. In order to better utilize glucose, muscles need increased oxygen levels, which cause rapid and difficult breathing. Running activates the largest muscle in the body, gluteus maximus, your butt. You can activate the legs and abdomen muscles to help you in an upright posture and controlled movement. You begin to expend calories and deposited fats. Spending glycogen and increased oxygen intake will raise body temperature in order to cool down. The body begins to direct blood to your skin, causing redness. After that, sweating starts up, which will effectively cool the body. The next 10 minutes. If you are in decent shape, your muscles and their supply of adenosine triphosphate are sufficient to continue to run. Your body cannot effectively carry oxygen and consume fat and sugar. If you are in poor physical condition, the supply of adenosine triphosphate is not sufficient to ensure the proper functioning of muscles. Muscles cannot get oxygen quickly enough, and the lactic acid begins to increasingly lose. Every minute will be more and more difficult. After 30 minutes, finally, it is over. Switch from running to walking. Now the energy starts to drop, and breathing gradually becomes normal. You will probably feel great and have a great energy level. Your brain starts releasing dopamine. It is very likely that you will want to eat something sweet. Do not worry, because the glycogen consumed glucose molecules, thus the entered calories will not turn into fat.